Welcome back to Homey Studio. In this video, we take you on an immersive journey into the heart of the modern home, the kitchen. Kitchen interiors have evolved beyond mere functionality into spaces of beauty, innovation, and soulful expression. From smart technologies and sustainable materials to thoughtful layouts and sensory textures, every element plays a part in redefining how we experience this central space. Whether you're renovating, building, or simply dreaming, this is your complete guide to 2025 kitchen design. Let's begin. Kitchen layouts and flow. Kitchen layouts continue to embrace open-concept designs, seamlessly blending with adjacent living and dining spaces. Islands are larger and more multifunctional, acting not just as prep zones, but as breakfast bars, workspaces, and family gathering points. U-shaped and L-shaped layouts dominate for their efficiency, while galley kitchens are now reimagined with added natural light and integrated smart storage. The flow is intentional: wide walkways for accessibility, streamlined movement between sink, stove, and refrigerator, and an emphasis on keeping the kitchen visually connected to the rest of the home. Color palettes and mood. The kitchen palette is sophisticated and grounded. Earthy tones reign: think soft taupe, sandy beige, warm clay, and muted olive. These tones create a cozy and organic ambience. In contrast, bold accent hues are making statements: deep navy cabinetry, matte black fixtures, and even emerald green islands bring drama and personality. Two-tone kitchens are a major trend, where upper cabinets may be light and airy while lowers are dark and grounding. Monochrome kitchens, entirely beige, off-white, or charcoal, are also growing in popularity, providing a minimalist canvas for bold accessories or vibrant plant life. Cabinetry and storage. Cabinetry is sleek, seamless, and smart. Flat panel designs dominate, often with a push-to-open mechanism or integrated finger pulls that eliminate the need for handles. Finishes are matte and tactile. Matte lacquer, thermofoil, or textured wood grain finishes give cabinets depth and warmth. Oak, walnut, and ashwood grains are especially favored, adding a touch of nature indoors. Inside, expect smart storage, pull-out pantry drawers, built-in organizers, and hidden compartments for small appliances. Open shelving, often in dark metal or natural wood, balances the closed cabinetry with space for decor, dishes, and greenery. Countertops and surfaces. Kitchen surfaces are both resilient and refined. Quartz continues to lead the way for its durability and range of finishes. From crisp white marble looks to warm terrazzo patterns. Porcelain slabs are rising in popularity, especially in matte finishes with stone-like textures. These ultra-thin yet incredibly strong surfaces allow for waterfall island edges and full-height backsplashes. Concrete countertops bring industrial charm, while sustainable options like recycled glass and resin blends are favored for eco-conscious homes. Surfaces are often finished with rounded or eased edges for a softer, more contemporary look. Backsplashes. The backsplash has graduated from a protective feature to a design focal point. Full-height backsplashes that stretch from counter to ceiling are common, especially when made from the same material as the countertop for visual cohesion. Large format tiles in geometric or organic patterns are trending, as are slab backsplashes with dramatic veining. Glass backsplashes with LED backlighting offer a futuristic glow, while handmade ceramic tiles add artisanal charm and subtle imperfections that warm the space. Kitchen islands. A modern kitchen island is more than just a surface, it's the heart of the kitchen. Larger, more sculptural islands with waterfall edges, built-in sinks, or even raised garden beds bring life and function. Islands often house induction cooktops with invisible burners, disappearing downdraft vents, and hidden storage compartments. Seating is integrated, usually with modern bar stools in leather, rattan, or boucle. Some islands feature two tiers, one for cooking, another elevated for social interaction or decorative display. Dual islands are even emerging in luxury spaces, one for prep, one for presentation. Lighting and ambience. Lighting design in kitchens is both functional and atmospheric. Layered lighting is key. Recessed ceiling LEDs provide general illumination, while under-cabinet lighting brightens task areas. Pendant lights serve as statement pieces above islands, often sculptural, organic, or minimalist in shape, with finishes like brushed gold, matte black, or smoked glass. Toe-kick lighting and interior cabinet lights add a modern glow, especially in evening settings. And smart lighting systems now adjust brightness and warmth based on time of day or voice command, enhancing both utility and mood. Appliances and technology. Kitchens are smarter than ever. Touchscreen refrigerators that track expiration dates, ovens that preheat via app command, and dishwashers that optimize water usage based on load type, all contribute to convenience and sustainability. Induction cooktops with integrated touch controls are flush with the countertop, while some cooktops are now invisible, built into the surface and only visible when turned on. Voice-activated controls, motion sensor faucets, and integrated smart displays for recipes and schedules blend seamlessly with the design. Even cabinet lighting and climate control can be automated. Flooring. Kitchen flooring prioritizes comfort, durability, and aesthetics. Large format porcelain or ceramic tiles that mimic stone or wood are a top choice, offering visual impact with easy maintenance. Engineered wood and high-end luxury vinyl planks remain popular for their warm underfoot feel and resilience. Terrazzo is making a bold comeback, especially in neutral tones flecked with color. Sustainable cork and bamboo flooring are rising in eco-forward homes, providing comfort for long hours of cooking while reducing environmental impact. Sinks and faucets. These blend functionality with design. Farmhouse sinks in matte stone or fire clay are being reimagined with sleeker silhouettes. Undermount and integrated sinks, made from the same material as the countertop, create a seamless look. Faucets are increasingly touchless, often finished in brushed nickel, matte black, or champagne bronze. Pull-down sprayers and built-in filtration systems are now standard. Sink zones often include drying racks, cutting boards, and prep stations built in, transforming a simple sink into a multifunctional hub. Sustainability and materials. Sustainability is at the core of kitchen design. Cabinets are increasingly made from recycled or FSC-certified wood. Countertops feature recycled materials like glass or paper composite. Energy-efficient appliances, water-saving dishwashers, and low VOC finishes contribute to a greener kitchen environment. Homeowners are also opting for induction cooktops over gas for lower emissions and faster cooking. Biophilic elements like living herb walls, potted plants, and natural daylighting support wellness and sustainability alike. Decor and styling. Kitchen decor in 2025 is restrained, purposeful, and organic. Open shelving displays artisanal ceramics, wooden boards, cookbooks, and greenery. Neutral-toned rugs, stone fruit bowls, and woven baskets add texture without cluttering the space. Statement wall art or a bold vintage piece creates contrast in minimalist surroundings. Live plants, from hanging pothoes to countertop herbs, introduce a refreshing vitality and blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. Personalization and character. While minimalism is a dominant theme, personalization is key. Homeowners are infusing their kitchens with cultural influences, color accents, or handcrafted elements that reflect their story. Whether it's a bold backsplash inspired by Moroccan tiles, a vintage table used as an island, or heirloom cookware on display, kitchens in 2025 are increasingly unique, meaningful, and designed for real living. Ceiling design and vertical expression. Ceilings, often the most overlooked surface, are getting serious attention lately. Exposed wooden beams are making a refined return, especially in kitchens that blend modern design with rustic or Japandi influences. These beams aren't chunky or overpowering, they're slim, spaced, and intentional. In minimalist spaces, coffered ceilings with recessed lighting add dimension without clutter. Some homeowners are experimenting with ceiling color, painting it a soft matte gray, beige, or dusty sage to add depth and visual continuity with cabinetry or wall hues. And for those who love texture, micro-cement or lime-washed ceilings create a soft, raw elegance that pairs beautifully with natural stone counters or terracotta tile floors. Niche storage and custom inserts. Beyond basic storage, kitchens feature a new layer of convenience, custom-built inserts tailored to how people actually cook and live. From spice racks that pull out beside the range to knife blocks integrated directly into drawers, every inch is optimized. There are drawer dividers specifically designed for baking sheets. Built-in cutting boards that slide out over the trash bin, and slim vertical pullouts perfect for oils, sauces, and even pet food storage. In luxury kitchens, expect wine drawers with climate control, concealed appliance garages, and walk-in pantries that feel like boutique grocery displays. Even waste management is stylish now, with hidden compost bins, divided recycling drawers, and odor-sealed compartments integrated seamlessly into cabinetry. Integrated dining and transitional zones. Kitchens are no longer isolated prep zones, they are social and transitional spaces. One of the strongest trends is the integrated dining area, where the island gently slopes or connects into a low table, often made from contrasting wood or stone, creating a seamless shift from cooking to gathering. Some spaces feature banquettes built into kitchen corners, framed by large windows and layered with cushions and lighting for an intimate cafe-like experience. Foldable or extendable dining features are also trending, especially in compact homes, allowing families to shift between cozy meals and large gatherings with ease. Indoor-outdoor kitchen connections. Biophilic design continues to gain ground, and nowhere is it more exciting than in kitchens that open to the outdoors. Full-height sliding glass doors or accordion walls allow indoor kitchens to flow directly into outdoor patios or terraces. This is especially popular in homes with outdoor kitchens or herb gardens. Even without full exposure, kitchens are being designed with large operable windows behind the sink or stovetop, bringing in fresh air and natural light, while offering views of greenery, pools, or patios. Materials used inside often continue outside. The same tile, cabinetry finish, or countertop material wraps around into an outdoor grilling or prep zone, making the entire experience feel cohesive and free-flowing. Coffee stations, wet bars and mini zones. Kitchens are becoming more personalized with the inclusion of mini zones, dedicated spaces that serve specific functions outside of the traditional cooking triangle. Coffee lovers are carving out niche espresso bars, complete with built-in machines, frothers, and floating shelves stocked with mugs, syrups, and specialty beans. Wet bars and beverage stations are on the rise, especially in larger homes, featuring under-counter wine fridges, sparkling water taps, and glass storage with custom lighting. These areas allow the main kitchen to stay uncluttered while guests or family can help themselves during gatherings. Breakfast zones, complete with toaster, cereal drawers, fruit baskets, and mini fridges, are also trending in family-focused designs. Art, texture and tactile surfaces. Today's kitchens are embracing a level of artistry that would have seemed extravagant just a few years ago. Walls aren't left bare, they're canvases. Whether it's framed abstract prints, sculptural wall hangings, or minimalist ceramics arranged as decor, kitchens are more expressive. Texture is key. Fluted wood cabinets, reeded glass doors, ribbed concrete surfaces, and lime-washed walls lend a tactile dimension. Even appliance finishes, like brushed bronze, aged copper, or textured matte enamel, play into this sensory appeal. This isn't about overdecorating. It's about subtlety, about how the reflection of light on a rippled surface can add quiet drama to an otherwise neutral space. With kitchens opening to the rest of the home, sound has become an important consideration. Designers are integrating acoustic panels, hidden within cabinetry, behind drywall, or even shaped as decorative ceiling elements, to soften noise from blenders, dishwashers, and clinking dinnerware. Soft-close cabinets and drawers are standard now, not just for convenience but for a quieter experience. Even ventilation hoods have become quieter and more efficient, blending acoustics into aesthetics. Cushioned floor mats, woven textiles, and plush window treatments are subtly reintroduced, not just for style but to absorb and balance sound in the space. Compact kitchens and small space solutions. Not everyone is designing in sprawling square footage, and trend celebrates that. Compact kitchens are thriving with smart, layered solutions. Vertical storage takes center stage. Tall, slim cabinets up to the ceiling with pull-down racks make full use of every inch. Convertible furniture, like tables that flip into counters or stools that slide into cabinetry, enhances flexibility. Pocket doors and rolling carts create dynamic kitchenettes that can disappear when not in use. Fold-up or retractable workspaces, magnetic wall organizers, and modular shelving systems keep things functional, uncluttered, and beautiful, especially in studio apartments and urban settings. Heritage and modern fusion. One of the most beautiful aspects of 2025 kitchen design is the fusion of heritage and modernity. Think modern cabinetry paired with antique handles, or a high-tech induction stove set atop a restored vintage island table. Traditional materials like terracotta, aged brass, and handmade zellige tiles are being reintroduced, this time with contemporary styling. The result is a sense of grounded elegance, where innovation doesn't erase the past but honors it with a fresh eye. Designers are even integrating heirlooms into kitchen decor, restored wooden stools, vintage light fixtures, or salvaged farmhouse sinks, blending nostalgia with the now. Family-centered features. Kitchens continue to evolve around real life, especially family life. Lower prep surfaces for kids, chalkboard or magnetic walls for drawings and notes, and built-in homework nooks near the kitchen island make the space multi-generational. Durable, easy-clean materials are a must. Stain-resistant quartz, fingerprint-resistant appliances, and washable cabinet finishes keep the kitchen looking great despite the chaos of daily life. Charging stations, drawer organizers for school supplies, and even snack drawers at child height show just how family-friendly design has become. The emotional atmosphere. The kitchen is no longer just a utility zone, it's an emotional environment. Designers are asking, how does the kitchen make you feel? Are you calm here? Do you feel connected? Energized? Color, light, sound, scent, and texture are curated to support these feelings. Fresh herbs on the windowsill, soft ambient lighting in the evening, open layouts that encourage conversation, all of these choices bring emotional resonance into the space. And perhaps that's the most profound trend of all. Kitchens aren't just being designed for what they do, but for how they make us feel. Thank you for exploring this extended look at the latest most compelling kitchen trends. Whether you're working with a sprawling open-plan space or a cozy urban nook, today's kitchens are filled with possibility. Design isn't just about style, it's about how we live, how we connect, and how we nourish ourselves and others. At Homey Studio, we believe the kitchen is the soul of the home. Subscribe, like, and join us for more inspiring journeys into the art of interior living. Until next time, keep creating beauty, one space at a time.